Alright chat, welcome back. We're cruising with a mate of mine. He's in his BMW, he's behind me. Not very fair, but it is what it is. Stuck in traffic. Plan now, boost back to my house. I'll probably get a new battery for the GoPro, get changed, and then do some further boosting. But yeah, that's the move, that's the plan. Hopefully no ops stop us, because I do in fact love to do that on my loud ass bike. I have a backpack on, it's kind of scuffed, but it's honestly fine. Just makes me feel a bit heavier. I'm probably gonna blur that if you saw me there. Yeah, I don't know about making my identity known. Obviously my friends know what I look like. It wouldn't be too hard for you to figure out who I am. And fuck, I had a bloody reel of just laughing at a Cybertruck on the back of a tow truck or a moving truck, and fuck, it went absolutely, it's blown up. I've got like 100 followers on Instagram, and this video's done like, at the time of me recording this, like 70k views. Hectic as fuck. What the fuck? No, 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 motherfucker. No. Oh my fucking god. Oh, I fucking love this bike. I get so comfortable once I hopped off a cruiser onto this, right? I've ridden sports bikes previously, and this is just, oh, it's absolutely incredible. But like in comparison, oh. My friend, I don't know if you can see through my wing mirrors, but he's stuck behind a fucking Ranger that pulled out in front of him. He's not going to be too happy about that. So obviously we're waiting for him, we're being nice. He will now absolutely ream his car to catch up to us. Fuck, I always worry about my phone falling out of my pocket. I should have realistically put it in my backpack, yeah. There we go, he's caught up to us now. Took him a minute, but we got there. Is that our lane that's stopping? Nah, it's theirs. I was gonna say, I'll see him at my house then. I might take him up to the water tanks road. The nice as fuck road. Hello, copper. Oh, that was sick. Okay, I shifted out of a low gear going past them. It feels so weird riding with a backpack on, because obviously I needed a backpack because I can't ride in these boots at work. Yeah. I have like chassis rail guides. Oh, sorry. Chassis protectors. Oh, and they're just out of the way. I need to buy new boots. These are like 2 or 3 riding seasons old. Tell you what though, New Zealand is an absolutely beautiful place. Fuck, that's all. I stuck my ass up on the fucking rear seat where I was going past the adventure bike rider. Also, if you're wondering what that bouncing thing is inside of my gauge, it's a dead spider. It's been in there ever since I bought the cunting vehicle. And yeah, I don't necessarily want to pull apart my whole gauge cluster to pull them out, so I'm using them as my good luck charm. Take the cornering tech, counter steer, transition. Oh, that's tough. Oh, that's tough. Hello. Yeah, he nodded. Oh. Fuck, I'm considering buying new fairings for my bike because these ones are 19 years old. And that's, I mean, it's cool, you can still see the flecks and the paint and everything, but they have seen some shit. Like a low slide. Bike's fine, no damage, but alright, yeah, I'll see you after I get changed. Goodbye. Alright chat, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I got changed now in riding clothes. Hoodie's still the same obviously, but fuck, I need to do a chain service. I know its tightness is okay, but the fucking lube is probably needing to be changed. God, I use the front brake so much more than the rear on a fucking sports bike. On my cruiser it was the polar opposite. Keep fucking neutral shifting, man. I just need to pull up harder. Also, camera angle, I checked in editing and in my last video, is so much better. Like night and day difference. Oh fuck. Living there would be awesome. I can terrace into the hill, have a multi-story garage, and then you're living above it. That would be a good fucking... Ooh! Oh, fuck. There goes my chance of having kids. But I mean, look at that. Oh, fuck. Fucking nail. I need a fucking beeswax, Quinnan. Going on a mission with the boys. Don't be skits. Oh my god. Oh. Oh yeah. You like that? It's fucking quick though, eh? Ah, fuck, I really wish you filmed it.
That's only 5K.
Oh, fucking neutral. Shit, sorry, I completely forgot that I was still recording. I was just fucking zoned out and cruising. My bad. Hello, biker friend. Oh. I forgot to close my visor. Oh, that was bad. Fucking squinting the whole way down. Wowzers. Oh, that was horrible. Those shifts sounded yuck as well. I'd like to formally apologise for what I just did to everyone's ears. Oh, you ready? Won't even slow, won't even stop. Oh, you gotta love it. You have to love it. Oh, I love New Zealand. I know I say it a lot, but people don't really have appreciation for their own countries, you know? Oh, that was probably the best downshift I've ever done. And with that, chat, I think I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you upon the next one. Goodbye.